Hi everyone and welcome to the Eforia YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I recycled an old frame to create a really large piece of textured wall art. But before we get started, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps my small channel out a lot. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Start by covering the space you're going to work on, because this might get messy. So this frame has been lying around my house for a couple of years now actually, and up until now I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. But today I'm actually going to create something beautiful out of this instead of just having it lying around. So I'm going to create a really large piece of textured wall art. Time to flip the painting over and begin the preparations. I'm starting off by removing the back piece, which is going to be my canvas for this textured wall art. I'm also removing the glass because I'm not going to use it. Here I'm strengthening up the piece of cardboard that is going to be my canvas. For this I am using more cardboard and a glue gun. Now the cardboard is reinforced and it's time to begin with the creative part. I am going to be using wall filler to create this textured wall art. But before I get started with the wall filler, I want to have an idea of where I'm going with it. So therefore I am sketching on my canvas right now, just to create a pattern that I can follow. I'm applying the wall filler with a putty knife. Before starting with this piece, I considered two different techniques for how to create it. My first option was to cover the canvas completely in wall filler before creating the pattern, but I decided to go with the second option, and I'm very glad that I did. I started to create the patterns instantly instead, because after a while the wall filler starts to dry a little bit, and then it's harder for you to create any patterns in it. For the design, I'm going to split the wall art into 3 different sections. And here you can see me creating the centerpiece for it. I want there to be structural differences between the 3 sections, and therefore I am making this middle piece a little bit lower than the other ones. Now I'm starting to work on the bottom section of the wall art. I'm trying to create waves with the wall filler. And if you're not happy with how it turned out, don't worry, you can just add some extra wall filler and redo the design again. Adding some final touches to the center section with a brush. I want for some parts of the middle sections to have a different structure. So while the wall filler is still wet, I'm going over it with a brush. I think it's time for this beauty to rest overnight. I guess you could just leave it like this, but I'm going to paint the center section in a beige shade. I'm using a combination of wall paint and acrylic paint to get the shade that I want. The bottom and the top section has not dried completely yet, but I think it's going to be fine if I just paint the middle section while waiting for them to dry. So here I am just minding my own business when this happens. I guess my cat Moomin decided that she wanted a makeover as well, but I really didn't want to consent to that. So let's proceed with the painting. Speeding it up for you here a little bit. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Here it comes. I'm really happy with the results and I really enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoyed it too and that you think it was inspirational. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched this far, please leave a comment below to let me know what you think about the music that I picked out for this video. Thank you for watching this video with Eforia. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.